From Yu-Gi-Oh! To Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles! Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here, and welcome back for another highlight! Yee! And alam nyo na, what are we going to do right now since we're going to unbox the new Happy Meal toys? Yes! And that's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in collaboration with Hello Kitty and Friends. Yee! Yan. And for this time, there are a total of 8 toys to collect here in the Philippines. But unfortunately, we're missing 4 characters. Kasi worldwide set is 12. And that's Buds Maru as Leonardo, Hello Kitty as Raphael, Hello Kitty as Michelangelo, and Hello Kitty as Donatello. So yan. So mag-hunt pa tayo for that 4 to complete the worldwide set. So, anyway, let's get started and we'll show you first the closer look of each box. Yan. And we're going to unbox it by batches. Yan, para medyo mabilis tayo. Okay? So, let's go! Here's my Melody as Leonardo. Hello Kitty as Leonardo. Cinnamoroll as Donatello. Hello Kitty as Raphael. My Melody as Donatello. Kuromi as Raphael. Kuromi as Michelangelo. And last but not the least, Cinnamoroll as Michelangelo. So let's start with this first batch. And they are the Sanrio and Friends wearing the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle costumes. Yan. So, let's unbox muna. So, here you go. And first one, here's Hello Kitty as Raphael. Yan. So, by the way, there's a QR code and later on, we're going to scan this one para to play the interactive game. Yan. So, basically, yan, here's a closer look of Hello Kitty as Raphael. Yan. And yan, there's no gimmick actually and it's a hollow plastic yan na great for collection lang talaga. Okay. Then it comes with this collectible card. Okay. And that's Hello Kitty. Next up, here's Cinnamoroll as Donatello. Yan. Again, same. May QR code at the back. And here's a closer look of Cinnamoroll as Donatello. Yan. And just a trivia, from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Set last time, na in collaboration with Hello Kitty and Friends, pinakamabili po si Cinnamoroll as Blue Eyes White Dragon. So, yan. Diba? Kamusta naman kaya today for this set? Sino kaya pinakamabili? And this one, here's My Melody as Leonardo or Leo. Yan. Okay, yan. So, sa mga fans ng Hello Kitty for sure. And, I mean, Sanrio, nako. For sure, hindi ito papalagpasan. At syempre, mga Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fans dyan. And last but not the least, here's Kuromi as Michelangelo or Mikey. Okay, here's a closer look. And again, another trivia. This is the second fastest selling toy from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Yan. Ang nice, no? Actually, kahit hollow siya, it's so nice to display. Para lang siya mga blind box. 'Di ba? Pero for this one, hindi naman siya blind box. So, hindi tayo mahirapan i-collect. So, yan. Yee! So, we're done with the first batch. And next one, we're going to unbox now the Hello Kitty and Friends as Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles because they are color green. So let's start unboxing this batch. So done unboxing and let's go. Here's Hello Kitty as Leo. Yan. So here's a closer look. So color blue rin syempre ang ribbon. Yan. And kung mapapansin nyo, comparing it with the other one, ngayon, from white, now color green. Since As Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles na talaga sila. So, yan. And just a trivia ha, for this one. Actually, itong Hello Kitty as Leo is not belong with this set. Supposedly, there are total of 3 groups in this collection. And si Hello Kitty kasi, meron as as Donatello, as Raphael, and as Michelangelo. So, wala sa atin sa Pinas nun. So, and supposedly, ayun yung kasama niya. And dito sa group na to, ang nawawala is si Mads Maru. Yon. So, alam niya na. Diba? Pero at least, hindi siya awkward tignan since 4 na green, 4 na white. Diba? So, it's okay pa rin naman. Sa Asian country release yon. Ganun lang siya. And yan, here you go. Here's Kuromi as Raphael. So, yan. Diba? So, and kung mapapansin nyo, iba naman yung forma niya. Yan, diba? Ito, oh. Yan, diba? May difference naman kahit na parang hindi lang yung color ng skin niya. Okay. And next up, here's my Melody as Donatello. Yan, nakalimutan na. Okay, so that's it. Yan. Yes. Eh, diba? Mas maganda yung posing niya here actually for me. Rather than this one. Mas plain lang kasi siya. And last but not the least, here's Cinnamoroll as Michelangelo. Ang kulang no, kasi naging successful last time si Hello Kitty and Friends with a collaboration with other yung mga other character or other animation, di ba? Or other cartoon, I mean, yan. Di ba dati Yu-Gi-Oh! Ngayon, TMNT. And next, nabasa ko pero I forgot lang. Ay, wait, ito paling comparison. I forgot lang ano yung next na collaboration niya. Pero sa mga nakakaalam, kindly comment down below ano nga yun. Or baka ma-recall ko. Anyway, so yan. So, that's for next year naman. Meron ulit ilalabas. So, let's wait, syempre, for the official announcement. So, yan. That's all for now. Yan. Na-unbox na natin yung total of 8. And wait, ayusin ulit natin. Chick! Tchanan! Yan. So, that's it. The total of 8 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and Hello Kitty and Friends. Yan. So, syempre, I'm going to ask you, highlighters, which one is your favorite among all 8 for the Asian release or the McDonald's Philippine release edition? Yan. Okay. For me, siguro ang pinaka-coolest for this set, yan, na style here is si My Melody as Donatello, di ba? Ang cool lang ng ano niya, ng style niya, para siyang sumisipa, di ba? So, yan. But my favorite, syempre, of course, medyo biased tayo, is si Leo. Diba? For Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And actually, love ko rin naman ang Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles eh. And last, actually, to recall ko lang, matagal na nag-release ang McDonald's ng mga Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, ng mga figures. Yun, no, diba? At least nabalik ulit right now. Anyway, yan. So, kindly comment down below which one is your favorite among all 8. Okay? And if you're wondering saan makukuha yung 4 na toys, available siya sa American countries, sa European countries, and then the like. Yan. So, Australia, Canada, USA. Yun. Most likely doon siya na makukuha. So, yun. That's all for now. And wait, before I forgot, yan, syempre doon tayo sa QR code na. Let's scan and let's check anong game for this time. Okay, so let's start playing this game. Play game. Oh, diba? Actually, it's more likely a fusion, eh. Diba? So, let's play and select character. Okay. So for this one, I'll choose Hello Kitty as Leo. Yan, so let's check ano kaya to. Okay. So for this one, dapat yan. Then ko-collect natin itong mga coins or balls. Ano ba to? Then jump. Yun. O so para siyang yung tawag dito? What? Temple Run? No, hindi Temple Run. Ano bang laro to? Subway Surfer. Yan. Siyempre, collect this one, then jump. Oop! Oop! Right. Oop! Sayang, kulang. Hindi natin nakuha isa. Not sure ako anong tawag dito sa na kino-collect natin. May ribbon and ano nga ba yung isa? Ala, ito mamimili ka lang. Yun, okay. So, we're done. Nice job. 19 out of 10. O yun, pasok tayo sa next level. Next one. Next level. Ooh, naiba naman yung background. Nice. Left. Yan, para siyang right. Yan, pabilis siya ng pabilis rin or pahirap ng pahirap for this one. Ay po. Ay, sorry. Ayan, ako. Yan, buti lang maraming lives si Hello Kitty. 9 lives. Okay. Yay. Jump! Diba? So nice, diba? After collecting the toys, you can play this game, diba? Jump! Whoop! Yan, hindi nyo kayang talunan yung mga yung surf and tawag dito, yung umbrella. Masyado mataas. Op! Uy! Naku, sabi ko na eh. Jump! Yeah. Yee! Uy, hello. Ay, shit. O, diba? Yan na nga. So, good luck on playing this one. And actually, ang sad part lang this, kasi after the promo, nag-iiba yung game, depending on the toy, no? Pero sana kasi hindi, no? Oh, yan. We're done with the second level. And next, hindi na unlock yung dalawa. Kulang tayo dito, oh. Anyway, next one. Yan, hopefully makuha natin. Marami tayong makuwang yung ganun, yung bilog. Parang power, no? I'm not sure yung orb, kung ano man yan. Basta i-collect natin. Oop! Diba, napapatalong rin sa upuan. No, napaaga ang talon. And I think na mabawasan yung yung bola niya kapag nalaglag ka. Kaya yun. Ang tanong, ma-unlock kaya natin lahat? Yes, dali. Pero we'll do our best. Woo! Naku, dalawa lang. Yes. Jump! Woo! Jump. Left. Jump. Right. Left. O, diba? Yung coordination nyo talaga mahahasa rin for this one. Jump. Whoop. Ano yung dami? Jump. 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 Ano, pahirap na lang pahirap. Jump. Naku, ang dami natin nakuha. Huwag sana mga bangga. Ala. Na-miss out natin yun. Uy. Yay! And... Ala, yun na. Alang cool. May pa ganun. O, nakuha natin yung 2 characters na. Yan. So, you could replay the level and select another character. Okay. So, yan. So, that's all for now, highlighters. Hope you like our unboxing video for this time. Hope you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be one of the certified highlighters. See you on the next highlight. Bye! May marami pang upcoming unboxing na kung antayin nyo. We're not done yet with the Jollibee books and the Jollibee Nendoroid. And syempre, more upcoming toys to unbox. And again, don't forget to visit my page since most likely upload tayo ng mga short reels every day. So alam niyo na, para hindi kayo mahuli sa chismis.